We are pleased to show you the 2025 Silverado 2500 HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, push button start. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.